Hi, and welcome to another Dunedin Public Art Gallery Home Learning Workshop. I'm John, and our workshop today is called Flip-Flops. Take a look at this. Here's a very strange robot, but I can make him look even stranger. I can change his head. Look at that. Or I can change it again. I could change from wheels to tracks, or even down to legs. And I can change the middle of his body. So this is a flip-flop. I can just keep changing it. See what I get. How do you make a flip-flop? Well, I'm going to show you. First you need a piece of photocopy paper, and you're going to change it into 3 panels like this. And you could rule 98 millimeters from each edge, and that would be a good place to do your fold. Draw your robot in the middle panel, and you could colour it in straight away if you wanted to. That's what I did. Now I've ruled some straight lines across here, and to get them straight I used a ruler like this. I did one at the neck and one at the waist. You don't have to use a dark line like that. I just did it dark so you can see where to cut. And then you're going to cut the 2 side panels, so they'll be able to flip over. And when you've cut your panels, draw your first head and make it so that it fits on the body underneath. And then you can repeat that for the middle of his body and the bottom of his body. And then you can do the same on the other side. Now one of the things you're going to notice is that vivid comes right through the photocopy paper. Kind of spoils the look of it. So you can just simply glue another bit of photocopy paper on the top, cut it out again, and that will hide all that and also make this stronger, because this is going to get a lot of use. So if it's strong, that would be even better. Well, let's go back and have a look at my robot one. But why stay with robots? Think up some other ideas. How about fashion? So I've made a fashion one. Look at this. Here she is. She's got orange hair. Now she's got a yellow hat. And now she's got yellow hair. Green top, yellow top, blue top, purple pants, red skirt, pink pants. And of course you can mix them up any way you like to make your flip-flop fashion. How about occupations? What do you want to do when you leave school? Well, here's some ideas. You could be a clown. Look at that. Or you could be, oh, what's this? What's this coming? A ninja. Yes. Or maybe there's something else you could be hiding down the bottom. I wonder what it's going to be. Let's find out. Yes, it's going to be a clown. No, it's a pirate. And of course you can mix up all these different occupations any way you like, because you've made a flip-flop. So get busy, make a flip-flop, have some fun, and we'll catch you next time on another Dunedin Public Art Gallery Home Learning Workshop. Bye now.